Alrighty, guys, let us get ready for these markets. So, I already straight up see a 15-minute fair value gap up there, resting up here. Let's see where other highs are resting. So, Swift London, so pre-market. Okay. We're in a 15-minute fair value gap here, bearish fair value gap. Let's see what price wants to do with that. If price wants to inverse that, or if price wants to respect that. Let's see what price wants to do here. So we're trying to see what price wants to do here. There's a 2-minute as well as a 3-minute. If we inverse this, you gotta take it. I need a strong candle close. I need a strong inversion. You found something? I need a strong inversion here. Something like that. So I think I'm gonna go in with one con here. I think the stop is gonna be. That's cool. I'm in there. I'm in there. Stop has to be a little bit wide. I'll just assess a 40 tick stop. If I got stopped out of 40, it's probably cooked. I'm gonna take one off down here. And I'll take the rest off like somewhere there. I'm just gonna move stops to break even now. Just till you feel me. So stops are break even, so now I'm chilling, man. Whatever happens, happens. Stops are break even. Let's get this. Like I might have to move stops to 1 hour though, or just exit at 1 hour, cause I don't like how price is misbehaving like that, bro. Just hit the first target and then hit the second target. It's not that hard. It's not that hard, bro. Like you have a set of rules that you have to follow. Just follow them. Why are you stalling? Yeah, right. I'm taking one out here, bro.
UNDEFEATED.
I took one out, man. Like, I really don't like this shit, bro. I took one out. So, like, what the heck is it doing? Like, what are you doing? The hell? So I took one out. Um, One is at break even. Let's keep it pushing. I want us to inverse that 15 minute. Once we can inverse that 15 minutes, bro, we're good to go, bro. We can inverse that 15, we're very good to go. So this is also futures. I'm trading both forex and futures, so got to get this bread however we can. You feel me? We could push all the way to pre-market lows, pre-market lows, pre-market lows. Beautiful. Damn, I should have held on my forex account. Would have made more today, man. But $1,000 hitting my bank account today. I don't mind my crypto account. I'm literally gonna withdraw it today. So um, let's see. We inverse the 15 minute, but we're tapping into another 15 minute. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm gonna get ready to, you feel me, exit this trade. Banger trade, banger trade. Like, guys, like this is beautiful. This is what I do. Like, this is what I do, guys. Like, I do this shit. I do this shit, guys. It's not a facade. It's not fake. It's not fugazi. I'm not a guru. Like, I'm not like, you feel me? I actually do this shit, guys. I do this shit. Bro, I'm not a guru, bro. I'm chilling, man. I'm gonna go ahead and close this trade. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Because we're tapping into a last 15 minute FVG right now. We're tapping into a last 15 minute FVG. We're probably gonna trade lower to pre-market lows, but whatever. I'm chilling, man. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. I'm chilling.